hardest part about fear of rejection is that it rarely feels like fear. It feels like certainty. Here's why we predict rejection. Hear me out. People connect the fear of rejection to low confidence, but psychology says it's way deeper than that. Us as humans are wired for love and belonging, so the brain takes rejection seriously. When you've been hurt, your brain remembers the pain and starts looking for signs that it could happen again. Your mind can take one thing and build an entire story. And I'm telling you, that's how powerful the mind is. I wouldn't say sabotage, but your brain hates surprises. Sometimes it's easier to be miserable and right than happy and blindsided. Because if rejection happens, your brain gets to say, see, I knew it. And once you tell your brain it's right, you're leaning on your own understanding instead of the facts. Psychologists call this confirmation bias. So your behavior starts to change. You ask for reassurance because certainty feels safer than the unknown. Or you stop opening up because there's a chance you might get hurt again. And the irony is, when you protect your heart from rejection, the people trying to find you won't be able to. There's a saying, protection replaces connection. You stop trusting other people, and eventually you stop trusting yourself. The biggest mistake your mind can make is turning I was rejected into I'm rejectable. One is something that happened to you, and the other becomes the story you tell yourself until it starts feeling like your identity. If you remember one thing, remember this. Confidence isn't measured by who stays. It's knowing your worth doesn't change because someone else walked away.